Hey, in this video, we are going to discuss about some of the important ideas to start your own call center or BPO business. Starting a call center business can be a lucrative venture, and here are some important ideas that you can consider. The first one is identify a niche. Determine the specific industry or niche you want to cater to, such as customer support, technical support, sales, lead generation. Focusing on particular area can help you to target services and attract clients. Second is choose business model. Decide whether you want to establish an inbound call center handling incoming calls or an outbound call center making outgoing calls. You can also offer blended model that handles both inbound and outbound calls. Third one is define your services. Determine the range of services you will provide, such as answering customer queries, resolving customer complaints, processing orders, appointment scheduling, telemarketing, or market research. Tailor your services to meet the needs of your target market. If you're getting some value from this video, make sure to give a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. Fourth one is set up infrastructure. Secure a suitable location for your call center or BPO business to ensure you have necessary infrastructure, including phone systems, computers, high-speed internet, headsets, software for call routing, customer relationship management software to handle your sale. Before we continue with the next topic, let me share you my direct WhatsApp number is +91 9511 841 495. In case if you are in early stage of starting your BPO or call center business, you can take my assistance in client acquisition, sales, marketing, or we also have an expert team who can take care of your corporate website, social media accounts, or CRM sales automation to help you get clients. The fifth one is hire and train your staff. Recruit skilled and well-spoken individuals who can handle customer interactions professionally. Provide comprehensive training on effective communication, product knowledge, customer service techniques, and the use of call center tools. Sixth is develop quality assurance. Establish quality assurance protocols to monitor and evaluate performance of your call center agents. Implement call recording, call monitoring, and feedback systems to ensure consistent service delivery and identify areas to improvement. Now, seventh is implement technology solutions. Utilize call center software and tools to streamline operations and enhance efficiency. Consider using an automatic call distribution or ACD system, interactive voice response or IVR, customer relationship management software, that is CRM, and reporting analytics and tools. Now, eighth number is focus on customer experience. Emphasize excellent customer service and strive to exceed customer expectations. Train your agents to be empathetic, patient, and responsive, and provide them with tools and resources necessary to address customer needs effectively. Now, ninth number is build strong client relationships. Establish partnerships with businesses in need of call center services. Network and attend industry events and use marketing strategies to promote your offerings and showcase the value you can provide to their operations. The point number 10 is ensure data security and compliance. Implement robust security measures to protect customer data and comply with applicable regulations such as the General Data Protection Regulation or GDPR or the Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act or HIPAA if relevant to your operations. Now, 11th point is offer multilingual support. If you operate in a diverse market, consider providing multilingual support to cater to customers who speak different languages. This can give you a competitive edge and attract clients with international customer bases. Now, point number 12 is provide 24/7 support. Consider offering round-the-clock support to accommodate clients with their customers in different time zones or to handle urgent issues that may arise outside regular business hours. Now, the next point is leverage cloud-based solutions. Utilize cloud-based call center solutions to minimize upfront infrastructure costs and provide flexibility for scaling up your operations as your business grows. The next point is monitor and optimize performance. Continuously track key performance metrics such as average call handling time, first call resolution rate, customer satisfaction, and agent productivity. Analyze data to identify areas for improvement and implement strategies to optimize performance. Now, the last point is stay updated on industry trends. Keep up with the latest trends in call center or BPO technology, customer service practices, and industry regulations. Embrace innovations such as artificial intelligence, chatbots, or virtual assistants to enhance efficiency and customer experience. Remember to conduct thorough market research, develop a solid business plan, and ensure to have a sufficient capital to start and sustain your call center business. Adapt these ideas to fit your specific circumstances and market conditions and seek professional advice when necessary. So in this video, we discuss about all important ideas to start your own call center or BPO business. In case if you need any assistance in starting your own call center or BPO business or in client acquisition, you can reach out to me on +91 9511 841 495, or you can also attend my executive program on my website. It's www.offshoringconsultant.com. In this video, I will take your leave and I will see you in the next one.